Have you ever contemplated about potential scenarios of where and when to use limited partnership LLCs in the realm of real estate investing, or how to go about setting them up? Today, we pull back the curtain and break down this complex process into manageable steps. Let's look at 4 possible situations where you might utilize a limited partnership LLC. The required capital. The next pivotal step is to lay down clear-cut profit-sharing mechanisms, assign management roles and set limitations on liability in the LLC agreement. Picture this. You're gearing up to launch a colossal project like the construction of a luxury apartment complex in downtown Manhattan, an endeavor that demands a substantial capital investment. Your first task in this endeavor is to establish a limited partnership LLC. You'll need to bring together general partners who carry with them a fair amount of expertise in real estate development, and limited partners who have the financial muscle to provide the required capital. The next pivotal step is to lay down clear-cut profit-sharing mechanisms, assign management roles, and set limitations on liability in the LLC agreement. Imagine this. You've identified a highly profitable real estate opportunity, and your goal is to attract passive investors. Here's a set of actionable steps to do just that. The first step is to establish a limited partnership LLC. In this setup, you will serve as the general partner, while the passive investors will be your limited partners. It is crucial that you clearly outline the details concerning the investment structure, profit distribution, and the limited liability protection offered to investors. This will ensure transparency and trustworthiness in your partnership. Suppose you're engaging in a mixed-use real estate venture that combines residential, commercial, and retail elements. In this case, you can create a limited partnership LLC where general partners oversee various aspects of the venture and limited partners contribute capital. Again, clearly defining the responsibilities and profit-sharing ratios in the LLC agreement is key. Venturing into a substantial real estate investment where the risk is high. Limited partnership LLCs can help protect limited partners. Here, structure the LLC so that general partners actively manage the investment, and limited partners contribute capital with capped liability. Don't forget to clearly outline risk mitigation strategies and liabilities in the LLC agreement. So, we've identified scenarios where limited partnership LLCs can be utilized. Now, let's break down the process of establishing a limited partnership LLC. Firstly, determine the project scope and capital needs. Identify the scale and financial requirements of the real estate project, and estimate the capital needed for financing arrangements. Next, identify partnership roles. Determine the active roles for general partners and the passive roles for limited partners. Define responsibilities and decision-making authority for each partner category. Now, it's time to draft a comprehensive LLC agreement. Engage legal counsel to draft an agreement that clearly outlines roles, responsibilities, profit sharing, and liability limitations. Ensure the agreement aligns with state laws and regulations. Upon establishing the partnership roles and drafting the agreement, you can establish the Limited Partnership LLC. File necessary paperwork to formally establish the LLC with the appropriate state authorities and obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, for tax purposes. With the LLC established, attract limited partners by developing a compelling presentation or proposal. Clearly communicate the benefits of limited liability and profit-sharing structures within the LLC. Next, execute seller financing transactions. Utilize the LLC structure to facilitate these transactions, ensuring all adhere to the terms outlined in the LLC agreement. Remember to establish regular communication channels to update all partners on the progress of the investment. Address any concerns or queries promptly. Finally, schedule periodic reviews of the LLC's performance, adjusting strategies or structures if necessary. Seek input from partners for continuous improvement. By following these actionable steps and micro steps, even a beginner real estate investor can confidently utilize limited partnership LLCs. Remember, the key to success lies in clear communication, thorough planning, and adherence to legal requirements. Investing in real estate through limited partnership LLCs can be a rewarding journey when done right. Have you been seeking credible and trustworthy real estate investing partners in or around Minneapolis? We are always happy to find and work with new partners. We bring the knowledge, experience, specialized subcontractor network, and provide the project management oversight. You bring the investment capital. There's really nothing we can't do. We can identify viable investment opportunities and partner with you in your real estate journey. Please contact us for more information. LakerRealestate.com.763-645-4617